Alright guys, welcome back to Houston Life channel. Today I wanna tell you about the problem I had with this laptop. It's a brand new HP. I just bought it about 3-4 days ago, and then it got a Windows 10 on it. And then when I go to check the disk, it's always been 100%. And I don't know what was the problem. I searched on YouTube. A lot of people just bullshit, making a fake videos, try to make the people doing whatever they said, and it's actually wrong. But after I took a time, I got it, as you see, to 0%, 1%, 25%, 30%. At least you get it under 75%, you should be fine. Because if it's keep doing it like 100%, after a time like month, 2 months, 1 year, your motherboard will be damaged. That's for sure. Okay, so the steps is when you buy a brand new laptop, especially HP, any kind of Toshiba, it has a Windows 10 on it. It probably will need to be updates. Okay, so the problem I had is I was doing an updates. Let's go Windows updates. Okay, there was an update. It's called 1803. I'll show you that update in a minute. Okay. All right. This one right here. It's a future update for Windows 10 version 1803. If you do so, see that update, keep your laptop. It will take about 10 hours to make the update, and then it will restart and take another 2 hours before a reboot again, and then do all the future. Okay, because of this update right here, you will see your disk stay in stock at the 100%, and you cannot touch your laptop because it will be a really slow. You can't do anything. Okay, just trust me. Turn your light off. I'm sorry, turn your power setting off, which is the, don't let it automatic turn off, don't let the screen shut down, don't let it go to sleep, don't to sleep mode. Okay, trust me, this is will fix the problem. So when we go to the change, where is it, let's see, battery settings. Let's see what it is. Was it? It's just on the battery right here. Let's see, battery settings, and then go to power and sleep right here. Okay, this one you will put it 2 hours or wherever you want to put, but just trust me and put never. All of these, just put never, and then change them again. So make sure when you sleep, if it's you're gonna do the update on the night, just keep your laptop on the side, let it do the complete the update, and after you complete the update, everything will be fine. But when it says 100% and update be complete, it will ask you to reboot to restart your laptop. When you do so, it will say it will take a while before your laptop will be start up again, and then it will reboot, or let's say restart, many times, like 3-4 times before it start again. Okay, just leave it, don't touch it, and you will see my disk. It's perfect. It's perfect. It's all green. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. And please subscribe and like to my channels. It's just a new channel. I need just a lot of support. Thank you.